very warm welcome and good morning to all the English medium students of CVM Higher Secondary English Medium School. You all are again informed here for the English medium standard 12 students unit test 5. The time is very high. You might be confused or perplexed or baffled, but don't bother about those confusion. Be clear, be free, and make the preparation tension free, hassle free, and join this unit test 5 with the same enthusiastic, and you will have a very happy time to come. For unit test 5, you have been given 4 unit tests, and now you are having proper information and knowledge about what is the unit test and what type of questions are asked there. But again, I would like to say that see the paper structure very clear, identify your syllabus very clearly, and make planning for the unit test preparations so that you will have no any worry to do. It will be very easier for you. If we talk about unit test 5 section 1, the question 1, there will be first question, read the passage and answer the following questions, which will be from the prose section. And prose section, you know that it is a descriptive question, so you have to answer it in 4 or 5 sentences each. Here you have to prepare MCQ type questions. You are preparing MCQ type of questions, and that will be objectives. You have to select appropriate option from A, B, C and D, which will be of 4 marks from prose section. If we talk about the later part of this question 1, it will be of the same type, but read the stanza and answer the following questions, or select an appropriate option given below, and there will be 4 options A, B, C, D MCQ type of questions, which will be again of 4 marks, but this time it will be from poetry section. So what will you prepare in poetry section? You can prepare the name of the author, you can prepare the figures of speech from these poetry lines, stanza lines, and identify the name will be given there. So don't get mixed with prose and poetry, but make it separate and prepare it thoroughly well so that you can identify the proper figures of speech. There might be a question of meanings, the words and their meanings. You have to write, select from the prose in prose section question, and the option will be given there. Okay, that will be of section A, 8 marks, and MCQ type of questions, very clear to all, and prepare as per this paper style. Section B, again section B is a descriptive type of questions, and descriptive type of questions will need some more points to narrate in descriptions in section B, because there you have to answer the questions in 4 or 5 sentences, and each question carries 2 marks. If we talk about question 2, then there will be the answer the following questions in 4 or 5 sentences each. 2 questions will be there, and each carries 2 marks, so 2 carries 4 marks. It will be from the prose section, and that prose section questions need some extra points and answers to support your argument related to that questions, and that will be prose section. Okay, again answer the following questions in 2-3 lines. Each carries 2 marks. 2 questions carries 4 marks. but this type of questions will be asked from the poetry section, and you are to attend it in 2-3 lines very meaningfully. So from poetry 2 there will be 2 questions, and you will have to take care of covering all the points to argue your answers or to support your answers in favor of that questions. That will be of section B, and both type of questions, prose and poetry, and that section will be the 8 marks section. The weightage of that section B is 8 marks. Now switching over to the last part, but not the least and very important section, and that is section C, grammar section. You know, you people are always having this fear of the grammar, and this time the grammar section is being made very easy by asking the questions of editing text type of questions or fill in the blanks, selecting appropriate options given in the bracket. Either of these questions will be asked in the section C, first questions of the grammar, and it will be of 5 marks. It will be of 5 marks. So please take care about the editing text type of questions or filling the blanks or correct the text, the word you have to edit and replace it by the correct, identify the error and correct sort of question. That can be also the question of this 5 marks question. Okay, in the later part, or you can say the last part or last questions of section C in grammar, that will be of transformation types. Now transformation is also replaced as do as directed. You all know it very well. And what type of grammatical items can be there? So there might be make it simple, right? Affirmative, negative, then question tag, then change the degree, change the voice, and that's how the transformation questions, 4 questions, 4 transformation items, grammatical items will be given, and each carries 1 mark, 4 carries 4 marks. So here the transformation type of questions in grammar section will carry 4 marks. So the section C, the total marks is of 9 marks. That's how the unit test of 5 paper style might be, as you all know it. If we talk about the syllabus of the paper, then we have already informed you earlier and put in the group, forwarded in the group, the syllabus of 12th English medium unit test 5, and in that syllabus, in a prose section, prose 5 of the title Indigo, right, that we talked yesterday in our last period. In our last video, we talked about indigo in a great detail with question answer, summary story and question answer. So prepare the indigo as question 1 prose, multiple choice type of question, answer the following type of question, and that's how prose 5 indigo will be there. In poetry section, in the syllabus of unit 5, poem 5, a roadside stand. A roadside stand is also given there. You are also informed and put forwarded the last video of a roadside stand. You are also given the PDF files of question answer, summary and details. Make very sure about the figures of speech of this poem too, because it might be also asked in MCQ type of questions. You will have to answer this, and that's all what the unit test 5 requires for our syllabus. I hope you have prepared well and do it nicely, and wish you a very all the best. Thank you very much.